Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Rukia Laltia. So today I'm going to collaborate with my sister Husna Laltia. We are going to make different types of cookies. I'm going to make jam and date cookies, and my sister Husna Laltia is going to make vanilla and chocolate cookies. I'm going to put her link in the description box so you can able to watch her video and to subscribe on her YouTube channel. So stay tuned to enjoy our recipes. So on today's ingredients, I'm going to need 250 grams of dates. You're also going to need 1 cup of melted butter, or you can use some blueband, a pinch of salt, 2 cups of wheat flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 medium eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and lastly 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of melted butter, or you can use some blueband. Then add 3 tablespoons of icing sugar and mix the two ingredients very well. Followed by 2 eggs, and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and continue mixing everything well. Using a sieve, you're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt, and you're going to sieve all the dry ingredients into the bowl. Using a spatula or a wooden spoon, you're going to mix everything well and nice till everything is well combined and you get a dough. So I decided to mix everything using my hands so that it can be easier and faster to mix all the ingredients. Once you get a dough like this, cover the dough and place it aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to make my dates. So I'm going to use 250 grams of dates. So make sure you've removed the pits of the dates. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the dates. Then afterwards, I'm going to knead the dates till the dates become soft. Once your dates are soft, take a small amount of the dates. Then afterwards, roll the dates horizontally like this. And I'm done rolling my dates, so it's high time to make our dates cookies. After 15 to 20 minutes of rest, our dough is ready. You're going to take a small amount of the dough, as you can see in the video. Place your dough on a working surface, then knead the dough a bit, then afterwards roll it out into a medium thin circle. Using a knife or a plastic cutter like this, you're going to cut the ends of the dough, as you can see in the video, so that the dough can be evenly into a rectangular shape. Then take your date paste and place it on the dough. Then afterwards cover the date with the dough, and then at the end you're going to cut the dough. Repeat the same process with the second dough. Once you're done filling the date paste, press them in as you can see in the video to make your dough a bit flat. Lastly, I'm going to use a fork to decorate my cookies by making some straight lines as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, using your index finger, cut the dates into small pieces. And my dates cookies are ready as you can see in the video. Then it's high time to bake them in the oven. Put the date cookies in a preheated oven and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So I ran out with some date paste, so I only have one remaining dough. So I'm going to make a different types of jam cookies. So you're going to roll out the dough into a medium circle as you can see in the video. Using this type of cutter, I'm going to shape my cookies into round shapes. Then afterwards, I'm going to take a small cutter like this, then I'm going to slightly make a love mark at the center as you can see in the video. So lastly, I added some strawberry jam at the center as you can see in the video, then bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And after 20 to 25 minutes, my date cookies and my jam cookies are ready as you can see in the video. Let them to cool down completely before removing them from the baking tray. As you can see in the video, my date cookies and my jam cookies are ready. They're nicely baked and they have this amazing color. Serve your cookies with a cup of tea, milk or coffee and enjoy your cookies. I'm going to cut a piece of the date cookies so you can able to see the inside of the date cookies. Like these cookies are so tasty and enjoy your cookies. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch my sister's video so you can able to know how to make vanilla and chocolate cookies. And if you have any questions, please comment down below or you can follow us on our Instagram page, Rukias Kitchen and Husna's Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.